Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So, ito reading natin for Water Sign Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Ayan, sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, pa-subscribe na lang guys. Sa mga gustong magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader, open siya sa personal reading. Let's start. What do we have here for Water Sign? For Water Sign. Anong meron sa mga Water Sign? Six of Swords, Nine of Wands. For you, Water Sign, kunin na rin natin yung sa side ng person mo. By the way, pagpasensya mo na lang yung boses ko. Medyo may ubo kasi ako ngayon. You do have an angel number 666. Tatlong 6. Okay. Dalawang beses nagpakita si Six of Swords. You could be dealing with the person in the past. I feel like you're trying to move on from the connection. Maybe kasi nakikita mo na pwedeng itong person na to is maybe in a relationship, or you feel like okay naman na yung relationship. Either may nasa relationship siya na iba, na isa pa, or feeling mo okay na siya sa relationship niya. So, maybe you're trying to move on from this person kasi nakita mo okay naman na siya. Okay. With the Six of Swords, Nine of Wands, nakikita natin nasasaktan ka pa rin kasi feeling mo iniwan ka, or maybe you're currently healing from this pain. With the Lovers, this is Gemini energy. And the Six of Pentacles. Actually, this is also number 6. So, ang angel number na natin is tatlong 6, tapos ngayon apat na 6 na, 6666. Maybe you should also ask yourself, kasi sa nakikita natin kung bakit ganyan yung person mo, maybe may bagay ka ring hindi ginagawa. Kasi might be yung person mo is also might be tinatry niyang mag-move on din because you're not doing anything. By the way, pagpasensya mo, nagbubukas ako ng candy, magsubo ako kasi medyo nangangati yung lalamunan ko, medyo may ubo po ako ngayon. So anyway, ayun na. Nakikita natin yung energy ninyong dalawa ng person mo at siya. I mean, yung person na ito might be tinatry niyang ipakita sa'yo yung mga bagay na parang I have this, I have that, ganun. Pero parang feeling niya hindi ka interesado. I feel like for some of you, gusto mo, kaya lang, I don't know, pwede may pagkakalayo kasi sa inyo nitong person na to kaya hindi kayo masyado nagkakaintindihan eh. You are like a person who is, gusto mo ipakita sa kanya rather than sabihin sa kanya, parang ganun. You do have your 5 of Wands, Ace of Wands. Three of Cups. The World. Kanina yun, nasa bottom of the deck mo, the World eh. Ngayon, lumabas na naman siya. I feel like you're dealing with maybe soulmate or twin flame. May mga mirroring of cards kayo. 5 of Wands, 5 of Swords is at the bottom of the deck. Pwedeng nahihirapan ka sa situation or sa connection ninyo ng person mo na ito. Gusto mo siya eh. Pero might be gusto mong mag-offer ng something sa kanya na parang paano ko i-offer to? Paano ko ibibigay to? Meron naman na siya nito. Parang ganun. So might be may mga nakikita kang bagay na gusto mong i-offer sa kanya. Kaya lang parang pag in-offer mo, feeling mo hindi naman niya yung gusto or hindi naman niya yung kailangan kasi meron na siya nun. Medyo rare yung connection na to ha. Medyo, I feel like hindi lahat makaka-connect talaga dito. Konti lang sa inyo. 3 of Cups, Knight of Cups. This person wants connection, reconciliation. Gusto niya ng reconciliation sa inyong dalawa. I feel like yun din ang gusto mo eh. Yun din yung gusto mo, kaya lang masyadong challenging ngayon. So what will happen in the near future? 5 of Cups, 4 of Wands, 2 of Cups. Two of Cups. The Hierophant. Two of Cups na ito. Gusto ko i-clarify itong 5 of Cups. What's with the 5 of Cups? Ace of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Ace of Pentacles. Meron na tayong tatlong 1 dito. This could be an angel number for you, 111. Tapos meron tayo, puro angel number guys. Kanina nagsimula tayo sa 6666. And then sumunod, ito may tatlong 1. Nakita naman tayo ng tatlong 5. 5. This is the 5 of Wands. The Hierophant, this is Roman number 5. At saka 5 of Cups. Okay. So, sa nakikita natin, actually, this is the one for you. Nakita tayo ng relationship connection. This is your soulmate. This is your twin flame. This is the one for you. Siya yung para sa'yo. You both match. Nagmamatch talaga kayo na tong person na to. Kaya lang, para magkaroon ng new beginning sa inyo, I feel like, and this is a forever kind of energy. Siya yung forever or yung person for you. Like kahit sa ilang lifetime pa yung mangyari sa inyo, you two are meant to be. Kaya lang, bago mangyari yon, pareho kayo may mga bagay na pagdadaanan pa, like something na malungkot or masakit. Maybe relationship connection na hindi mag-work out for you or for the both of you. Kasi 5 of Cups, nakakita tayo dito ng kalungkutan, maybe regarding sa bago mo ma-free yung sarili mo. From this connection, marami kang matututunan or mapapagdaanan pa. And there's this feeling na bago ka maging kayo na itong person na to, maybe both of you or one of you, pwedeng magiging married muna, parang ganon. Kasi there's this 4 of Wands and 5 of Cups, like pwedeng malulungkot ka, masasaktan ka kasi pwedeng ikinasal siya sa iba, parang ganon. But the feeling is that parang iba eh. Kasi kahit ikasal siya sa iba, alam mo parang sa'yo yung taong to eh. And yun yung pinaka-lesson sa buhay na ito ngayon. Like for you to find each other. No? So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.